In this video, let me teach you how to use the Binance Saving Lock product. So if you're trying to earn a higher yield inside of Binance, in this video, let me show you how it is done. So all you want to do is within the app of Binance, head over to the three lines on the top left. And right here, you should be able to see the earn feature being displayed. If earn is straight away not visible on shortcuts, tap on more services and you'll be able to find it. So within the earn section, the first thing that you need to do is select an asset. So you can simply type in the ticker symbol, or if the asset is straight away visible, you can simply head over to it. And once you're inside of the section, the first thing that you need to do is select the duration. So you'll be able to choose from all of the duration that is available. So for example, flexible or 14 days, all the way up to 120 days. So depending upon what you want, you can do that. And then you need to enter in the exact amount of cryptocurrency that you selected to earn the higher yield. Also, if you want Binance to automatically subscribe this each month or the end of the each month or end of the period, you can simply tap on the auto subscribe. Once you've done all of that, tap on confirm, and if you do not have the amount deposited already, it is going to ask you to deposit the USD first of all, or deposit the asset that you selected. So this is the exact process that you can use the Binance Savings Unlocked feature. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.